Writing the first Java program. Before start writing the program, look at this diagram. It is a picture of a train. A train has compartment, and each and every compartment are identified by a class. Here, the left compartment is the unreserved class, the middle one is the sleeper class, and the right side compartment is air conditioned class. So all train which runs through reservation has some classes. Just like this train, each and every program of Java contains a class. So whenever we write programs in Java, we have to declare a class, and every class has some class name. A class may have block of code. There can be more than one block also. Generally, we write Java instruction and statements within this block. In Java programming language, these blocks are called methods or function. So we can say that a Java program is composed of class, and a class may have several blocks or methods. And among these blocks, there is a main block from where the Java program starts its execution. And from that block or method, all other blocks or methods are called. Let me show you how to write a Java program and run that program. First, go to this PC. Then open any drive of your choice. Here I am opening the C drive, and within the C drive, let's create a folder. Suppose its name is Java Programs. Double click on Java Programs and enter into this folder. Go to the path section, click over there. You will see the full path C:Java Programs. And in front of this C:Java Programs, write CMD. So the command prompt will be opened at this location. Look, C:/Java program. At the same time, open any text editor. Suppose I am opening this Notepad++. You can use any text editor of your choice like Simple Notepad, Sublime, etc. Now here I am going to write the Java program. And in the command prompt, I'm going to execute the Java program. I have already told you that a Java program always starts with a class name. So here I am writing class, and the name of the class is my first program. There will be a open and close curly braces, and within this we are going to write a block which is called a main block. And from now on, the main block will be pronounced as main method. So I am writing like this. This is the main block or the main method. Within this main method, we are going to display a text, a normal text. For that, we have to write like this, system.out.println. So this statement, system.out.println, is used to display a text on the screen. System is an inbuilt class of Java. Out is an object of the system class which represents the output device, that is the monitor, and println is the function which is responsible to print the text on the screen. So within this println function, let's write this is my first program. Let me make it full screen. This is my first program within double quotes. And at the end of this line, give a semicolon. Semicolon represents that this is the end of this statement or the line. Each and every line of a Java program must be ended up with a semicolon. And you have to notice whether semicolon are excluded. No semicolon after class name, no semicolon after any brace, and no semicolon after main method or any other method. Let me save this program first. Go to File, Save. Choose the folder within C drive. This is my working directory Java program. Double click on it, and in the file name and within the double quote, I am writing the same name as my class name, my first program. So this will be my file name also, my first program. You can give other name also, but since you are learning Java for the first time, so write the file name and that will be identical with the class name. Then after writing the file name, give a dot, then Java, double inverted comma, close. So this dot Java is the extension of the Java file my first program. Save, click on the save button to save the program. So this my first program class contains a main block, or in other words we can say that this is the main function or the main method. In front of main we have to write void, because these functions do not return anything to anybody. We will learn the technique of returning values in other videos. Before void we have to write static. A static method can be accessed directly from outside this class. We will go in more details about the static keyword in later videos. For the time being, just write static in front of void main. And before static, write it public. That means we are going to make the main method as a public method. That means this method can be accessed anywhere from outside the class. And this main method accepts some string arguments, and for that we have to write string. S is in capital letter, string, and this is a kind of container, args. You can write any name over here, just give a third bracket open and close. So this container accepts a several string or text while executing this main method. So you do not worry about this line, public static void main string args. For the first couple of programs, just write down this line in every program. I will explain each and every keyword separately in separate videos. So within the class we have to write like this: public static void main within bracket string args. Look, so here string is an inbuilt class of Java, so it starts with a capital letter. So S is in capital letter, string args. Args is a container which accepts several text. Afterwards we will pronounce it as an array. And within this public static void main, here is a display statement, system.out.println within double quote. This is my first program. Let's run the program. First of all, we have to save if there is a change in the program by using Ctrl S, or go to file, then again save it. Now in the command prompt, to compile this Java program, we have to write javac. This javac is a command to compile a Java program. And after this javac, we have to write the file name along with the extension. The file name is same with the class name, that is my first program .java. Enter. It will take some time. If there is any error within the program, it will display over here within the command prompt. And if there is no error, it will display nothing and the prompt will again come back. Let me list the directory files. Dir my first program.java, this is the source file name. When we compile this program, it creates a .class file name with the class name. Look, the class name is my first program, and it creates a .class file with the class name my first program.class. So this is what we call the bytecode. For each and every class, a bytecode will be generated. You can also see the same thing from the Windows environment. Look, this is the .class file and the next one is the .java file. The first one is the bytecode and the second one is the source code. Now to run the program, write down Java, then only the class name. No extension will be required over here. So my first program is my class name over here. Then enter. Look, it is display the text. This is my first program. So whatever we are writing within println statement or the println function, it will display the same in the prompt, and the text must be enclosed within the double quote. So in the successive program, we just write a class name, then within that class we are going to write public static void main, then we have to write rest of the code, Java code, within the void main function. This is all for this video. Still, if you have any query, write it down in the comment box. I will try to reply you back as soon as possible. Thank you.